My name is Ratnapriya Singh. I am from PGDFM 1921 batch. I had great work experience during my summer internship. So I want to share that. Earlier when all the interviews started for summer internship and recruitment, I was little bit adamant that I want to go in development sector only. So I waited for some time that I'll wait for some organization which will provide me that platform. So I got selected in UNICEF, but unfortunately that plan had to drop. So I was little bit confused then, should I go for development or go for wildlife sector. So luckily I was then finally selected for Wildlife Trust of India. So my summer internship was with Wildlife Trust of India, but then the pandemic happened, and then it was a virtual internship, that is work from home. So we started from May and it ended till 30th June. So I had great experience in that during that time. Our reporting officers and the entire organization helped us a lot, and I learned a lot from them also. We did geospatial analysis for that, and after that internship, because during pandemic there was lot of wildlife trade happening, illegal wildlife trade. So the work which our organization was doing, so they wanted us to call us for field, but it was since online internship, so we couldn't because we need to follow protocol. So what we did is we did 2-month work from home internship, but after that we somehow convinced our organization to call us to field. So I was volunteering with WTI for 1.5 months. So I went right from my hometown Riva to Bangalore and then quarantined myself, and then I went to field and worked a lot there. We used to walk daily throughout the buffer zone of BRT Tiger Reserve and look out for the snares. And in one tiger reserve we found more than 150 snares, which is a big number. So it was really very nice experience for me. And during that time I was also balancing with classes. So I want to share it to everyone that we can do what we want. Like we attended classes also and did our work also. So we balanced that. And after that exam happened, and then we came to college after 9 months, and it was very nice experience here. During the placement also, I was very sure that I want to go for development sector, so I didn't set in any organization other than that. I had to little bit control myself to not apply in some organization which were very good. But then I finally got selected MPSRLM, which is working in development sector only. So I'm very happy with this organization and looking forward to work there. And also I would like to thank entire IFM and especially my placement committee, who had worked hard for SI committee and placement committee both, who had called these many organizations. Even during pandemic they had handled it very well and worked so hard for this. My faculty, and I have huge respect for them, and especially this campus. We are going to miss this a lot. Thank you.